So hello guys, welcome to Tech Talk. So today we are going to unbox the Philips trimmer which I bought from the Flipkart. As you can see the box in front of your eyes, the video if you are seeing, and first of all, I have already used this Flipkart. I've already unboxed this and used this Philips trimmer, and as you can see that this is already unboxed. So you can see this is the Philips trimmer. So let's bring it outside and see what we got it inside. It's for new, but I have already unboxed this just to check that's how it works. So first of all, there is some, you can see your new Philips series 3000 beard trimmer offer durable performance and the consistent trimming result time after time. So this is for, just they say that this is for modern man, and as you can see, first of all there is some Philips guide, so how it can use it. This general guide, there is nothing to talk about it, and there is also a manual in very different language. It doesn't work for us. So see what we got it inside. First of all, the trimmer, which we have to keep it aside, and just a USB cable. Okay, a USB cable. Let's open it and see is it of good quality or not. Okay, that's a very fine quality, not very good, and this is okay. This is not so very good. It's very okay quality. You can use the charger as well, your Samsung charger or Motorola or any charger as well, original charger. It will work fantastic. And there is also a brush, as you can see in front of your eyes. The brush you can use to clean this trimmer. So first of all, look at this trimmer. Is it a very premium quality? It's a very premium quality, as you can see in front of my hands. And okay, this is the cover. You can protect the blades. And okay, and you can see this is the power. So let's turn it on. As you can see the vibration, and there are various modes, as you can see 5, 6, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and it will work fantastic. I think I should try this. And there is a brush, as we can see, like we can remove the dirt or the hairs. It's very charm. I think this is a very premium quality by Philips, as I have already a different trimmer as well. As you can see, and you can see the power. This both have very different powers, and this works through this way, and it works this way. I think this is a very powerful tool. I have used around this for 2 or 3 months, and I'm using it for 1 month. I'm very satisfied with the Philips trimmer. I think the Philips is the best. They say that this is for modern man, and they are very correct. And let's check is it's work or not. Let's check it on my hand. Oh, it's very charming, as you can see. It's very good. It's very good. Guys, when I was using this trimmer, that you can use around 4 times in a one charge, and that will be very beneficial, because when I was using this local trimmer, that's for Bright, I don't know what the company is, Bright, as you can see, so it doesn't go for more than 1 time. You can use only for 1 or 2 times. That will be very hard, very difficult to use for 1 or 2 times, and that doesn't not even really well. And this is very powerful, as you can see. So This one is much recommended. It's much recommended. So thumbs up for me for this, guys. And I think this is the best streamer. You can buy this, and link I have given in the YouTube description. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, because we are going to unbox so many things in future. I have planned so many videos for unboxing and so many technical things. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this. If you have any further question to ask, you can ask in the comment section. You are free to ask. And thank you so much, guys. We will see you in the next video. Guys, when I was using this streamer, that you can use around 4 times in a one charge, and that will be very beneficial, because when I was using this local trimmer, that's for Bright, I don't know what the company is, Bright, as you can see. So it doesn't go for more than one time. You can use only for 1 or 2 times. That will be very hard, very difficult to use for 1 or 2 times, and that doesn't not even really well. And this is very powerful, as you can see. So this one is much recommended. It's much recommended.